Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to More AI, your go-to place for all things artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into 5 mind-blowing AI tools that are set to revolutionize the way we live and work in 2024. So, grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, we have ChatGPT Turbo, OpenAI's latest conversational powerhouse. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, coding, or writing essays, this tool is your ultimate assistant. Its responses are faster, smarter, and more human-like than ever before. Oh, and did I mention? It can now generate full video scripts like this one in seconds. Next is Runway Gen-2, the AI video editor that's transforming the content creation game. From generating stunning visuals to automating tedious editing tasks, this tool is a dream for YouTubers, filmmakers, and social media creators. Say goodbye to spending hours on edits. Need a presentation? Tome AI has you covered. It creates stunning professional slideshows in minutes. Just type in your topic, and Tome will handle the design, content, and even animations. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone in a rush. Art lovers, meet MidJourney 6. This tool takes generative art to the next level, creating breathtaking images based on your prompts. Whether you're designing album covers, illustrations, or just exploring your creativity, MidJourney will leave you speechless. Last but not least, Synthesia Studio lets you create AI-generated video avatars. Whether it's for tutorials, customer support, or personalized marketing, Synthesia delivers high-quality videos without the need for cameras or actors. Talk about efficiency. And there you have it. 5 AI tools that are changing the game in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.